In this video we explain about a handy tool in the VCV rack called the scope. It helps us to explain how sounds and waveforms look, but it might also be handy for you. The scope module is a virtual version of an oscilloscope, a tool that is used in electronics for a long time. The only thing it does is making waveforms visual. It actually displays the change of an electrical signal over time with voltage and time as the vertical and horizontal axis. So you can see the actual waveform when you play. You have to connect a sound to the X input. So here you see the channel 1 output from the mixer module. The output is always marked black, sent to the X in of the scope. Now when you play a key on your keyboard, it should also show on the scope. The X scale knob helps you to have a better view of the waveform, so you can make it bigger or smaller, and the X position places the waveform horizontally on the screen. On the Y input you can connect a second sound source and also show it on the scope. So you can have two sources on screen. Just move them a bit with the position knob. The time knob lets you change the time you can see on the screen. If you totally turn it to the left, you can see around 10 seconds of sounds, and if you turn it to the right, it will show less time, but then you can really see the waveform well. For you it might be handy because without hearing anything you can still see there is a sound playing. So if you hear nothing, you might have to reconnect the modules. For us it's handy to show you the kinds of waveforms that come from the VCO oscillator or tone generator. Well, that's it for the scope module. Check out the other videos about synthesizer modules on our YouTube playlist. More information and extra links can also be found on our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can keep you updated.